More breaking news. Shruti Modi, the former manager of Rhea Chakrabarti, has just arrived at the ED office in Mumbai. So she, along with Rhea Chakrabarti, Souvik Chakrabarti, who are already at the ED office, will now be questioned and grilled by the ED, the Enforcement Directorate, in the potential money laundering angle of the case. Shruti Modi has just arrived at the ED office. My colleague Wajiullah will be joining us in just a couple of seconds, so we can go across to him, but we can tell you these are first and exclusive visuals of Shruti Modi arriving at the ED office in Mumbai. You can see Arunil, in fact, joins us now for more on this. Arunil, Shruti Modi has just reached the ED office. Rhea Chakrabarti and her brother are already being grilled. Shruti, of course, will be next.
Well, that is right. In fact, all three of them will be grilled now. Shruti Modi is also a key player in this entire case. If you look at it, she's also one of the main accused that the family had also named her in the FIR that they had filed with the Bihar police. And now Shruti Modi's role will also be investigated along with the role of the main protagonist in this case, that will be Rhea Chakrabarti. How did Rhea Chakrabarti buy those two flats in the city of Mumbai? Was it actor Sushant Singh Rajput's money that all three of them, be it Souvik Chakrabarti, who is the brother of Rhea Chakrabarti, he's also inside being investigated, being interrogated. Did the money of actor Sushant Singh Rajput was being taken away by Rhea Chakrabarti and her accomplices in this case, be it Samuel Miranda or Shruti Modi? That will be investigated inside. So all three of them will be questioned together. Yesterday, Miranda was questioned for around 8.5 hours. For how many hours? These three will be interrogated. But now the ED has started their probe, and we can expect more skeletons to tumble out of the closet as well. For the first time, Rhea Chakrabarti being questioned as an accused now. Mumbai police was not questioning her as an accused, so we can expect some tough questions to be asked to Rhea Chakrabarti, Souvik Chakrabarti, as well as Shruti Modi, and the companies that the Chakrabartis had started.
All right, Arunil, stay on. Wajiullah is right outside the ED office in Mumbai. Shruti Modi, Wajiullah, has just reached the ED office, and Arunil was telling us she, along with Rhea Chakrabarti and Souvik, will all be grilled by the ED now.
Well, it's clear now that all the three would be questioned over here. First, it was Rhea and Souvik who were over here, and now we've also got to know that Shruti Modi has also entered. As we all know, Shruti Modi is a close associate, a manager for both Sushant and Rhea, and during in the call records also we've seen her having conversation with Sushant right before he passed away, and now she's come here on the basis of the allegation that the father has leveled that there is some financial exploitation. There is this angle of 15 crores which is taken from his account. There is also this angle of money laundering also that the ED is investigating, and on those lines itself, Shruti Modi is here right now to be questioned by the ED. Now it's been more than 2 hours right now that Rhea and her brother is inside, and now with Shruti coming in, it's going to be a three-way investigation some way or the other. All the three accused that have been accused as of now by the CBI FIR and by the ED questioning now clearly gives you an indication that people are coming in here for questioning. It remains to be seen when will the CA land up here, because yesterday the CA of Rhea had said that he cannot come for the summoning because it's been raining heavily in Bombay.
All right, we understand, and you were reporting yesterday, Wajiullah, as Samuel Miranda was at least grilled for 7 to 8 hours. We'll have to wait and watch how long will Shruti, Souvik, as well as Rhea Chakrabarti be grilled today. Wajiullah, please stand by. We'll have to take a very short break right now. When we come back, more details and updates on this case. Please stay tuned.